In our last video, we will try to make cost center wise budget. For this, we followed some steps making or creating cost center and cost category and create ledgers with active cost center. Now we will follow our next step, which is create budget of cost center with balances. For this, come here with gateway of tally, then go with create, then select budget, then write the name of the budget, which is budget for February. I am using the short form to March 2025. Under will be primary. The period, we have to mention the period, which is from the February and to the March. For this, the date will be 1st February 1/02/2025 and enter. The second is 1/03/2025. The period is mentioned. Now we are trying to make the cost center wise budget, so we will make the cost center yes. So skip this all and made it yes. Press Y and press enter. Now a new window is open, which is cost center budget under budget for February to March 2025. Here we will select the cost center. For selecting the cost center, press space bar on your keyboard. You can see this list of cost center is showing here. We have to select two. First one is soft toys. So we'll select soft toys. The expenses is mentioned in our question, which is 4,000. The income is 10,000 and the closing balance is 6,000. Now I have to make another one, so we will have to try to create. Press Alt C for creating a secondary, which is photo frame. It will be under product line. Name is photo frame. So we made the secondary cost photo frame. For photo frame, the expenses is 3,000. The income is 5,500 and the closing balance is 2,500. All these numbers are mentioned in our question. You can check it out. So we put all these numbers. Press enter, press enter, press enter, accept yes. The budget creation is complete. Now we will try to pass the journal or voucher entries. In today's video, we will try to make accounting vouchers entries related to cost center and cost category, which is general expenses and sales commission, etc. In our next video, we will try to pass the sales entries of this question and we will try to view the budget. For this, now we will make the accounting vouchers entry. So come here, gateway of tally, then go with vouchers. You can see the payment is selected. If it is not selected, press F5 for selection. Now we will press F2 for changing the date. The date will be 01/02/2025. The first date. The date is selected. Now press enter. Now we will select the general expenses. You can select the general expenses from here. General expenses. The balance of the general expenses is 1,700. It's also mentioned in our question. Now a window of cost category and cost center is open. Now we will put the name of cost category and cost center. The cost category name is product line, and the cost center, which is two we just created, which is photo frame and soft toy. So we'll select the photo frame. Photo frame amount is 800. You can see it in our question. And the next one is soft toys, which is 900. So total is 1,700. Press enter. Press enter. So the entry of product line is complete. Now press D for debit. So debit is complete, press enter, the debit is selected. Now we'll select salesman commission, which is here, and we'll put the commission, which is 1900. We put this. Now cost center on cost category window is open. We will put the name of cost category, which is product line, as the same way. The cost center name is first one is photo frame, which is 900, and the next one is soft toys, which is 1000. Press enter, press enter. Now we'll create the credit will be the cash, so select the cash. You can see the selection is complete, and press enter, accept, yes, the selection is completed. In the same way, we have to pass the journal of our next month, which is 1/3/2025. So change the date, which is 01/03/2025. Okay, then press enter. First one is debit, which is general expenses. So general expenses, the amount of general expenses for now is 1700. Product line, and the photo frame will be the 700. Oh, sorry, photo frame is 700. Press enter. Next one is soft toys, which is 1000. The next one is also debit, because we have to put the salesman commission. Press D and press enter. So we'll select salesman commission. Now the salesman commission is 2000. So put 2000. The product line is already selected. The photo frame is selected. The photo frame amount is 800. So we'll put 800. The next one is soft toys. We'll select soft toys. The amount is 1200. Press enter. So next one will be the cash, which is automatically selected. So keep press enter, accept, yes. The entry of this payment of cost center and cost category with general expenses and salesman commission is completed. In our next video, we will try to pass the sales entries of this problem. Thank you for watching.